beginners.
Digraphs.
Consonant digraphs, 2 letters that make a single sound.
Chap, 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 chat, chat, chat. Chin, chin, chin. Ship, ship, ship. Chop, chop, chop. Chub, chub, chub. Chug, chug, chug. Chum, chum, chum. Belch, belch, belch. Bench, bench, bench. Ranch, ranch, ranch. Filch, filch, filch. Inch, inch, inch. Pinch, pinch, pinch. Lunch, lunch, lunch. Munch, munch, munch.
Thank you for learning with us. For more free lesson, subscribe, like, and share this video. And for free printable worksheet, visit our Facebook page at iCan Tutorial Services.